I'm at the Diamond booth, joined by Chad, the man himself. Tell us about how the show is going for you so far.
Show is going great. We've experienced a lot of foot traffic so far. Yesterday was super busy, and showcasing all of our Diamond products.
Are there any new products people at home should know about?
There are. One of the things that we have our ball polishers with our new covers.
Okay.
But we're introducing some new technology in our smart table. We're making our smart table smarter.
Even smarter.
Even smarter,
right.
Yes, absolutely.
Can you expand on that a little bit?
Absolutely. So how do we do that? We're doing that through different types of payment systems. So we have a PayRange app available for our table. You can download that onto your phone. It will notify you that there is a Diamond table close by. It will show you how much the vend is. And you put money on that app and you can swipe and it will automatically open the table up for play.
Amazing. So if someone has a smart table currently, can they upgrade their smart table?
They can. This is a plug and play product. So you can contact PayRange and they will send you the entire kit. You can plug it directly into a Diamond smart table and take off with PayRange.
Okay, so it's like a third party.
It is.
Okay.
Yep.
And anything else we should?
Yeah, so another piece to the smart table to make it smarter is we have the ability to utilize a tap credit card system now.
Wow.
And we are introducing that here as well.
Okay, great. Excellent. Lots of exciting stuff. And this show is very different now at this
This
venue.
show is perfect for us because the BCA show, while it shrank over time to what it is right now, but we paired up with a great partner, and that's the AMOA. So the amusement side of this, Diamond transcends both of those. So we have the Diamond Pro-Am, Professional, and Paragon for the BCA,
right.
But our coin-operated product
Right.
and is great for the amusement side. So we would love doing this. We used to do both shows. So now we can come and
kill two birds.
Kill two birds with one stone. That's right.
That's right. And you also have a lot of events that Diamond sponsors.
We're super busy right now. Yes, we have lots of events. We just finished up the World 9-Ball Tour event in Sarajevo, Bosnia. And all of those tables were just packaged up. I just got notification. We're shipping those to the UK for the UK Open in May.
All right.
And we are prepping right now for Super Billiards Expo and the American Pool Player Championship.
That's right. Anything else we should know?
No, I think that pretty much sums up what Diamond is doing right now.
Yeah. And if you're looking for a Diamond table, you can reach out to a dealer such as myself,
or call 812-288-7665 or info@diamondbilliards.com.
Thanks, Ted.
Thank you.